So, fourth working set natin para sa shoulders. So, maybe ito, hindi napapansin na shoulder workout din siya. Pero, more of chest kasi siya. So, push-ups tayo, sir. Bodyweight push-ups, pero hands wide. Okay, sa first day 1 natin, yung neutral lang. Ngayon, mag-wide tayo para mas ma-activate yung shoulders natin. Pakita natin. Hands wide. Okay. Yan. So, kailangan, sir, mas maganda kung full push-ups tayo. Ay, pakita ko pa. Yan. And then wide. So, inhale. Exhale up. So, konti lang yung movement natin dito. So, down, down, down. Up. Lowest point natin is so, hindi ako siya. Lowest point natin, dito lang po. Okay, kung nakikita, pagbaba natin, elbow, shoulder line na. Hanggang ganun na siya kababa. Not too low. Okay pa? So, kailangan full push-ups. So, inhale, exhale. Elbows wide, out and wide. So, inhale down, exhale up. Again, yung floor, pinagdidikit. Alright? So, 10 repetitions. 3 sets na tayo dito, sir. 10, 3. So, activating your shoulders. Alright?